My name is Thomas Maynard. I graduated from AIM in 2016. I currently work as an A&P at AAR in Indianapolis. Well, I was always interested in aviation. My dad was an air traffic controller with FedEx for 28 years. I like working with my hands, so I thought, why not try being a mechanic? And I was looking around for different schools, and I saw AIM. And most of the instructors that were there, I know either worked originally at FedEx, which I worked there, or they were prior service military also. And that really just drew me to the school. And a lot of the students that I went with, most of them were prior service military also. Working at AAR, one thing that I like about it is whenever I come into work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So it's always something different. One day we could get a plane in, they'd be like, okay, well you gotta take all these panels off so we can inspect it. To the next day, well, we have to get rid of this airplane, so we have to do all these ops checks. So we'll sit up on the flight deck and do everything like a pilot does. We'll run engines, move flight controls around. Right now I'm a level 2 A&P. There's 3 different levels of just OJT, starting from if you can write and interpret work orders all the way up to fixing control cables and like taking off a rudder. Literally you can work on anything on the aircraft, from the engines to drilling holes, putting in rivets, to electrical stuff, like just about anything. Lately I've been training a lot of our newer people. I think 2 of the people graduated from AIM. One person was working on motorcycles before. Most people that are in maintenance are hands-on learners. So everything that I learned from AIM was hands-on, from disassembling just recip engines to control cables, safety wiring, just stuff that we do every day here. It helps you progress in your career because we'll start you off literally from the bottom, like, okay, well, take this panel off, put this panel back on, up to rewire this. The reason I chose this career is just because the pay is great. Chances to travel if you wanted to. I mean, I just like working with my hands too. I've always enjoyed airplanes. I was born and raised around them. Most of the people that work here are literally just like me. They've either been born and raised around aviation and love it, or they're prior service military and just enjoy working with their hands. That's how I've always been. I couldn't do a desk job to save my life.